talk to Summers. Like complain about his teacher. Even Summers, I talked to Summers. Like, I hated this teacher. Summers is so chill. And after that, I talked about race.
Oh yeah, look up. Hey, no one talk. Quiet. Here we go. Okay, it says the pipe can hold 50 cubic feet before it overflows. I'm not sure what to do with that, so I'm just going to circle it. For time greater than 8, water continues to flow in and out of the pipe until the pipe begins to overflow. My favorite words. Write but do not solve.
Let's go. We love that.
Yeah. Right, but do not solve an equation involving one or more integrals that gives the time when the pipe will begin to overflow. Well, we've got a big head start on this because we already wrote this equation right here. This is the equation we need. Because this equation rearranged, it would have been good. I kind of neglected to do something. Hey, it would have been a little safer. Like, this is a little gray. Like, maybe the grader would have not liked that I left the purple like that. It would have been a little better to finish it and write this. But this purple equation is the equation we need for part D. Purple is the equation that we need for part D. So we just need to put this and use that over here. So we'll write it down again. So we got, dude, I got this right. A of sometimes going to equal 0 to that time. Yes, please.
Do you need to put a W instead of a T? It says time
Give the time W.
Oh, that's interesting.
Ooh, I missed that one.
I think, hey, I feel strongly that if you forget that one, they will not penalize you. Like, it would be better. 2 pebbles for Grant per point. How many saw that? 2 pebbles. I don't think they'll penalize that one. Like, if everything else is right and you just used a T instead of a W, I think you're okay. So we would say A of W is going to equal, because they said a time W. I don't think they're going to penalize you for that. And we want to figure out when this equals 50.
So do you just do 50? You have to do the whole.
Oh, let's go.
So you get 0 if you
way I
miss
get
the
that.
30.
Let's go, baby.
Let's look over here and see how they did it. Let's see how they gave points.
Yes, I still
So they gave 1 point if you knew that you had to integrate A prime, and then they gave another point if you have the correct whole thing.
On mine, I just put the 30 on the other side, so I just said that integral equals 20.
20? Perfectly fine.
No, but for
So hey, this is what Matthew did. He said he's got 0 W A prime of T dt is equal to 20. That is exactly what they asked for. They asked for an equation whose solution will give us the time when the pipe overflows. That would be 2 out of 2 for sure.
This person has the in rate minus the out rate instead of A prime.
Yeah, same thing. Just because you missed that. What you should always pay attention to, hey, is if there's something that says things are equal, then you're allowed to put either one. Yep.
So on the question it says for time greater than 8.
Yeah.
So
why is it 0?
Why is
I
it
did
0 to
Because you have to.
I did 8 to W.
You gotta do
You can't
from
start at 8
zero.
because
You gotta do it. You have to have the
You
total
had to do
amount.
from the
I
start
did 2
because the rate
integrals,
will
so
be different
0 to
from the
8.
start.
Well, 8 to 0 to 8.
Let's write some stuff down here. Hold on.
If you
Give me a second to catch up. I got too many voices.
It's gonna be
No, because the rate will be the same, because it says it will continue to flow at the given rate.
It's not about the rate, it's about the total weight.
Yeah, but then if you just use.
But I didn't even write it, so
That's just confusing because it's greater than 8.
So if they can do plus 50, that's minus 1, right?
I'm confused on that too.
Hey,
Hey.
I gotta know you're gonna talk so I can talk. Okay. Okay. There are times when you have to pay attention to the greater than 8 thing, because what will happen is they'll say something changes after time 8. So they did it this time just to make you feel confused, but it didn't have any significance because they said 2 things at the same time. They said for time greater than 8, water continues to flow in and out of the pipe at the given rates. So nothing's changing after time 8. They just threw it in because the original problem said we're only talking about this time frame. Annoying is right. They did it on purpose to try and make you feel confused. Does that help answer the question?
Yeah.
Jenna, please.
So I used 2 integrals. In
Tell me
mine.
exactly what you wrote, Jenna. I want to write it down.
From 0 to 8. So integral from 0 to 8 is a prime of t dt plus a of 0.
Hold on a second. So that would be plus the 30.
Yeah.
Keep going.
And then plus integral from 8 to w a prime of t dt. But then I didn't write equal to 50 for some
I want to talk about this one with everyone. Did you write equal 50?
No.
That's okay, that's okay. Hey, look up, look up. I want you to vote. Is this box right here in yellow, pebbles for the whole room, is that box, I want you to raise your hand if you know the answer, is that box the same or different than this yellow box here? Same or different? Hands up. Same or different? Kaylee?
They're the same.
How many vote that they're the same? 2, 3 for Kaylee. Yeah, they're exactly the same thing, Jenna. You did what we've done in some other problems. It's been on a multiple choice before, where you can take an integral and break it into sections, right? So you just broke the integral into sections. There's nothing wrong with that at all.
So I'd get a 1.
You would get the 1 out of 2. You needed the equal 50 to get the 2 out of 2.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Please, you're good.
So my time was also different. Like I did 0 to like 3.272 and then added it from 3.272 to W. But I had the same.
So you had exactly the same thing that I have in this yellow
I
box,
just changed the interval.
but you went from 0 to 3.272.
Yep.
And then from 3.272 to W?
Yeah.
But you had everything else the same in the yellow.
Right.
Then that's 1 point. Yeah, same thing.
If they put starting at 8, going to W, would that?
Yeah, that's gonna not give them the point. They would get 0. Yeah, if you start at time 8, you don't have the right integral.
Don't pay attention to that. Okay. That yellow box? Yes. Yes. That's
Oh, so that's okay. Yeah. Oh, they said
Looks like I might be what you meant to do tomorrow. Haley, what, you take any UV live interactive? You're the best. You're like, oh,
this side.
Great. Haley.
So you have a team,